Hello friends, in this tutorial we'll see how to create a static web page on AWS. So a static web page is just a normal web page without any PHP or any server-side script. So in order to create a static web page, we need to use AWS S3 or also known as S3 bucket. So let's just quickly go down to it. So in storage you'll see S3, and S3 bucket is actually an storage space that where we can store any content related to AWS. I mean, any program related stuff we can store there, or you can simply use it as a cloud storage for whatever purpose you want to do. But you can also use it to host a static web page. So let's just get started to it. So this is the console of S3 bucket or S3. So the first thing you need to do is click create a bucket, and bucket name, let's just give your bucket. Region, anything is fine. Copy the setting from existing bucket, not require as such. Then click next. Here also we don't need to do anything uh, as of now to do anything. Now manage public permission. You can grant public access to the bucket, but it's recommended that you don't give it for all the files, only for the files that you need to give public access. Individually you can select that, so we'll do that. We'll individually give permission to each of the files. So as of now, let's not grant any public access to the entire bucket, and let's create the bucket. So here is our bucket. Now your bucket, let's go inside the bucket. Now if you go inside the bucket, now you can see there's a properties. If you go over there, you can see static website hosting. Now it's disable. If you click it, it will it will open a page. You have to click use this bucket to host a website. Now you need to name the first page of the file, or usually it is like the index.html. That is the first HTML file that your any website will host. So probably I'll call it index.html only. You can name it anything, and this is the error document in case you encounter any error. You can redirect any error message from a new HTML file. You can also have any redirect request also, and some redirect rules you can mention. Let's not go into that as of now. Let's keep it simple. We'll just have one index.html file and we'll save it. So now our bucket is ready to host an static HTML page. So all you need to do is upload an index.html. This is just a sample HTML page where we are just displaying some headers and some paragraph and some image. So why don't we upload this? Index.html, open, can upload it. You can see the progress here. Okay, and now it is uploaded, and we need to also upload the image. If you can see, there's an image file here that we are going to display. So one more thing you need to do is you need to change the permission of this particular file. I mean both the files. If you click on index.pem HTML, you have to just click make public. So okay, now we'll go back to the bucket, and even this image also you have to make it public. Now if you click on index.html, you will get a link. So this is your static web page. You can see everything over here, and also there is a link you can click. You can attach anything. So you can create your own static web page using AWS for free, and you can also store some documents. You can also use S3 bucket as a storage, cloud storage. So that was all about it. So